Hello, everyone. If you're keen to get in shape or just want to manage your diet better, understanding how to count your macros is a game changer. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to figure out your own macros like a pro. First off, what exactly are macros? Macronutrients, or macros, are the nutrients that provide us with energy, namely proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Every food you eat is composed of these three fundamental elements. Now, why should you care about counting them? Well, whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, knowing your macro intake can help you tailor your diet to meet your specific health goals. So, how do you start? The first step is to determine your daily caloric needs. This depends on several factors like your age, weight, height, and physical activity level. There are many online calculators that can help you with this, or you can consult a nutritionist for a more personalized approach. Once you know how many calories you need, it's time to break those down into macros. A common macro split is 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% fats. But remember, this can vary depending on your personal goals and dietary preferences. For instance, if you're into bodybuilding, you might want to up your protein intake. Now, tracking these macros can seem daunting. But fear not, the digital world comes to our rescue with a plethora of apps designed to make this process a breeze. Apps like MyFitnessPal and Chronometer not only track your macros, but also break down your food intake into these essential nutrients. Just log what you eat, and the app does the rest. However, while apps are handy, they aren't perfect. It's also crucial to understand the food you're consuming. Not all calories are created equal. Getting your macros from whole and unprocessed foods is always a better choice than from sugary snacks or fast food. Remember, counting macros is not just about hitting numbers. It's about fostering a healthier relationship with food, understanding what you consume, and how it affects your body and mind. It encourages you to eat mindfully rather than just mindlessly munching away. Moreover, it's important to mention that counting macros should be a guide, not a strict rule book. Nutrition is not one size fits all, so take time to adjust and find what works best for you. And always prioritize balanced meals filled with vegetables, fruits, plant proteins, and healthy fats. In conclusion, counting macros can be an incredibly effective tool if you're looking to refine your diet and achieve specific fitness goals. But it should complement your lifestyle, not complicate it. So start simple, be consistent, and adjust as you go. Here's to making empowered and informed food choices this year. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.